In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Lebara SIM and stop future charges. By the end, you'll know the simplest paths to end service, what each option means for your number and billing, and a few tips to make sure everything sticks. First, the fastest and most reliable way is to switch to another provider and port your number out. When you start service with a new network and ask them to transfer your number, your Lebara SIM is automatically cancelled once the transfer completes. If keeping your number matters, this is the method to use. Just wait until the port finishes before doing anything else. Cancelling too early can risk losing the number. Once the port is done, your old SIM stops working and billing ends on the Lebara side. If you're not switching yet, you can cancel directly in the My Lebara app. Log in, head to Manage SIM or Account Settings, and look for Cancel SIM or Stop Auto Renewal. Stopping auto renewal will prevent future plan renewals, and cancellation ends ongoing service. Some plans remain active until the end of your current period, so don't be surprised if service continues until that date. Make sure you save any confirmation you see on screen or receive afterward. Prefer a browser? Use the My Lebara website and sign in to the online portal. You'll find similar account settings and cancellation options there. The process mirrors the app, and it's a good fallback if the app isn't available on your device. If you want human confirmation, reach out to Lebara customer service via chat or phone. Tell them you want to cancel and ask them to confirm your account is closed. Have your account details ready so they can locate your line quickly and request a confirmation message or a reference number for your records. For prepaid plans only, you can simply stop topping up. With no usage or credit added, the SIM will expire automatically after a period of inactivity, typically somewhere between 90 and 180 days. Keep in mind you may lose your number and any remaining credit, and accidental calls or data can reset the inactivity clock, so consider removing the SIM or turning off mobile data. Once cancellation takes effect, your SIM will no longer work for calls, texts, or data, and no further charges should occur. Back up any contacts stored on the SIM, keep an eye on your statements for the next cycle, and if anything looks off, contact support with your confirmation details. That's it, you're set to close out your Lebara line with confidence.